when you're trading, it's just like when you're taking somebody to court and stuff like that, and they say, "How many witnesses do you have?" Now, if it's just your word against the other person's, then you really can't have a lot of confirmation on what really happened, what's about to happen in that. But if you go into a court and you have four witnesses and they all telling you, okay, yeah, it's he went that way or this right here happened, you have more layers of confirmation. So the way that I trade is I train people to use layers of confirmation. And so each one of these things that we talked about already, the support and resistance lines, that's a layer of confirmation that's showing you what's possible, where can we go. Your 200, why it's yellow, it's not red. That's right. So when it's red, we're in a downtrend. But when it's yellow, that means what the stock wants to go up. When your 12 is blue, that means what the stock wants to go up, right? So now we see that we notice is their money. And so we see that right here on the 14th, the people with the money came in and bought Tesla right here. So we know that we have money and they're interested in pushing Tesla up. We also see that the 200 is yellow, which means that the stock is in an uptrend, so it's capable of going up. And then once we flip the 12 to this blue color, that means that the short-term trend is also saying the stock wants to go up. And we already see that we're in a range where we don't have many obstacles that can stop it from going up, right? And so if we put this in replay mode, we can see that we would have had a resistance level up there, but that still just gives us a target to get to, right? So we're in the same A plus trade range, but with us having confirmation that the stock wants to go up, with the 200 being yellow, we're in an overall bullish trend. The 12 is blue, so it is also bullish. We're in this range where it's known to go from 411 all the way up to 470. And so now that we have agreement with this witness, the 200, the 12 is a witness, the range is a witness, right? So we got all these witnesses saying, okay, this is the range where Tesla likes to go up. We have historical witness. We see that it's happened before, right? And so now we can know that it's a good trade to get in, right? And so now let's go. I'm going to go show you our early entry confirmation system